Shopping block is this vintage antique Russian Soviet spy camera. It's called a F.E.D. Those people who collect cameras know this is real. It's authentic. It was my father's. He was a professional photographer. Today is September 26th of 2024, and I just opened the back and he had film in it. He used his camera. Comes with this lens. Not all of these cameras come with lens. It's got a working light meter. You can see that. Got a working light meter. Okay. Hand cleaned. On sale. Check out the description. Read the full description.